Hi students, now you are watching 7th class mathematics unit 1 integers. The topic is BODMAS. What is BODMAS? Why you are learning this topic? First of all, you must know the different signs. Plus, minus, into, and at last division. Operations. We have 4 different types of operations. Means addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Even though we have 4 different types of operations, but we have only 2 signs called positive sign and negative sign. If we take only positive numbers, we no need to worry about any sign of the result. But whenever the negative takes place, from that time onwards, our journey will start of learning different types of signs, how the result will get the sign. Okay, for example, I am going to take 5 plus 3, both are integers. Answer is 8. Okay, next 5 minus 3, answer is 2. 5 is an integer, 2 is an integer, 3 is an integer, and the subtraction of those two, okay, 2. When 3 minus 5, here also both are integers, but we are writing minus 2 here just because 5 is more than 3 and 5 is carrying negative symbol. That is the reason we are mentioning minus 2, right or not? For example, if we take minus 3 minus 5, what we are doing here? We are taking minus completely outside and we are going to make addition here and we are mentioning minus 8. Correct or not? And even for multiplication also, I explained in the previous videos. 5 into 3 is 15. 5 into minus 3 is minus 15. Minus 5 into 3 is again minus 15. Both are positive, result will be positive. If at least one number is carrying negative, the result will be negative, right? And even if both are negative, the result will be positive, right? So we have seen different types of results based on the number and the sign, correct? So still now we saw only up to multiplication. Now we have to learn about division. I am going to take 6 divided by 3. What is the answer? 3 2s are 6. So answer is 2. If 6 is having a negative symbol, then it will be minus 2. Because 3 ones, 3 twos, minus 2. If 3 is having a negative symbol, okay, 3 ones, 3 twos. Will you write plus 2 here? No. This minus will carry, definitely. But both are negative. 3 ones, 3 twos. And minus will also get cancelled. Result will be 2. Just like a multiplication, if both are having the same symbol like positive and negative, result will be positive. If at least one numerator or denominator are containing a negative symbol, then the result will be a negative number. Understand? Okay, this also you understand. Then you may get doubt, madam, what is BODMAS and why you are explaining the same things again? I am just explaining the thing so that you can understand BODMAS very well. BODMAS. Here B stands for bracket. O stands for off. D stands for division. M stands for multiplication. A stands for addition. And S stands for subtraction. The BODMAS tells us about the priority of making a calculation. If we have simple expression like 5 plus 3, 6 divided by 3, 5 into minus 3, you can do everything easily. For example, if you have a expression like 30 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into 5. So this is a big expression compared with a small addition, subtraction, multiplication or division. This expression contains all the different types of operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Everything is there. How to calculate this one? First way, I'll calculate from left to right. 30 plus 6, 36. Next, divided by 3 minus 2 into 5. Next, 36 divided by 3 means 12 minus 2 into 5. Next, 12 minus 2, 10. 10 into 5, 50. Like this. So, I am doing one by one. First, I did addition. 36. 36 divided by 3, 12. 12 minus 2, 10. 10 into 5, 50. Okay. Now, I'll explain second way. In second way, what I am going to do is, generally we used to do, right? Taking all positive numbers on one side and negative numbers on other side. Like that. Here plus is there, here minus is there. So I will take 30 plus 6 minus 2 divided by 3 into 5. Then how much it will be? 36 minus 2 divided by 3 into 5. So again 34 divided by 3 into 5. Now how much it will be? Some 34 by 3 into 5. Some rational number we may get, right? Now I will explain about another way, third way. 30 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into 5, right? Now I will do division here. 30 plus 6 divided by 3, 2 minus 2 into 5. Okay. 30 plus 2 minus 2, 0 into 5. 30 plus 0 into 5, 0. Answer is 30. So, every time we are getting some different answers which doesn't even know which is correct. Right or not? To avoid these type of confusions, most of the scientists came up with a concept called BODMAS. The BODMAS tell us the priority. B is having the most priority and S is having the less priority. The priority comes from B to S. Okay. First what I said, B for bracket. Now I will explain different types of brackets. Type 1, line bracket. Type 2, simple bracket. You can also call it as parenthesis. Type 3, curly brackets. And the type 4 is square brackets. Okay. Line bracket, simple bracket or small bracket you can call, curly bracket or braces you can call, and the square bracket or box brackets you can call. Okay. So these are 4 different types of brackets. So, okay, we have 4 different types of brackets. Again, we got some confusion here, right? Like, which brackets are having highest priority? Line is having the first priority. Then, simple brackets are having the second priority. Then curly brackets are having the third priority. Square brackets are having the fourth priority. Next, after finishing all these calculation of brackets, then we have to go for division. Division is having the fifth priority. Then, M for multiplication. This will be having the sixth priority. Next, addition. At last, subtraction. Okay, priority wise, line brackets are having the first priority, and at last subtraction is having the last priority. This is the concept of BODMAS. In general, remember this one. Division and multiplication both are having the same priority, but for your understanding purpose, BODMAS concept is came. Okay, and addition and subtraction are also having the same priority. If you reverse these two priorities, you will get the same answer. Even in this case also, if you reverse addition and subtraction, you will get the same answer. But BODMAS is for your understanding purpose. Now, the same question I am going to do again. 30 plus 6 divided by 3 minus 2 into 5. What they said? Division and subtraction, multiplication are having the first priority, right? So, answer will be 30 plus 6 divided by 3 means 2. 2 minus multiplication is also having the same priority. 5 2s are 10. That is equals to addition and subtraction are having the same priority. Here itself we can understand. 30 plus 2, 22 minus 10. 32. 30 plus 2, 32 minus 10. So 32 minus 10 is 22. If you do 30 plus 2 minus 10, how much is this? Minus 8. Again 22. Right or not? So that is the reason I said addition and subtraction are having the same priority. Multiplication and division are having the same priority. But if you can't remember that point, you can think about BODMAS. Okay, BODMAS contains about brackets also. Okay, shall we go to the exercise? Hope you all understand. Okay, I will tell about one more example using the braces. I have a question here which contains all 4 different types of braces and also includes multiplication, addition and subtraction. How we can evaluate this? First of all, what we have to do? First, which brackets are having the highest priority? Line brackets. That we have to do. 100 minus 50 minus 36. 6 minus 4. It will be 2. I am removing the line here because that calculation is over. Plus 4 into 4. Next 100 minus. Next simple brackets are having the next priority, no? 36 plus 2, 38. I'm so sorry, dear. Here 4 plus 6, right? We have to do not this subtraction. Subtraction is for 4 and 36. Here for 4 plus 6, it will be 10. 36 minus 10 means 26. Plus 4 into 4. Hope you understand, right? We have to do under the line. Under the line we have to do, but unfortunately I calculate it as a minus 4 plus 6. Okay, sorry, this minus is for 36. I mean this result we have to do with 36. 36 minus 10. 36 minus 10, 26. Now answer is 26. And I missed a minus also here. Hundred minus 50 minus, we have right minus here, take out the number from the parenthesis. So 100 minus, next which is having the more priority? Which is having more priority? Curly brackets, right? 50 minus 26, it is 24. 24 plus 4 into 4. 100 minus 24. Now again addition and multiplication. Which one you have to do? Multiplication first. So 24 plus 4 4s are 16. Now which one you have to do? Brackets are having the highest priority. We have to do that. 24 plus 16, 40. Now take out the 40 outside. Here also you can write directly, or else you can take as a next step. 100 minus 40, result is 60. Understand or not? First line we did, then parenthesis, then curly braces, then brackets. Okay. Hope you understand this video. In the next video, I will explain about exercise 1.4.